Hello students, I hope that you have watched the previous video, and in previous video of chapter number 1 we studied the input devices, the various input devices like barcode reader, OMR, OCR, MICR, magnetic strip, magnetic card, and a touch screen. So I hope you have understood them. Now next point of the chapter, that one is the output devices. Now basic output devices we all know, like monitor, printer. Monitor displays output, printer produce hard copy of the file. Then headphone gives us the sound in the form of output. So these are the basic types of output devices. Now there are some more output devices which are different from these devices, like plotter and LCD projector. So these 2 points that we are going to study in the output devices. From that, first point is a plotter. Now what is a plotter? Plotter is a device which works same like a printer, but it is not a printer. It is a plotter. Plotter is used for structural design, for drawing something on a sheets, on a paper, on a banners, is called as a plotter. Printer just prints the basic prints on our normal paper. Plotters are used for printing different kind of sheets, different kind of drawings, For printing different kinds of drawing, plotters are used. Printers are used for printing text. Plotters are not used for printing text. Okay. So here in a slide you can see the plotters are of two types. First one is a drum plotter and second one is a flatbed plotter. Whatever I told you about plotter, I hope that you have understood it. Now we will see the types of plotter. Okay, first one is the drum plotter. Now in image here you can see that there is something like a cylindrical shape. Here it is a cylindrical shape, and there is a kind of ice cream banner coming out of it, printing of ice cream banner coming out of it. So what is there in the drum plotter? In drum plotter there are lots of paints embedded. In drum plotter there are lots of color paint embedded. When we give instruction in drum plotter for printing any of the design or any of the drawing or any of the graphical image, what it do? It will make use of the paints. Inside it there are the color paint, like we have color paint for drawing. In the same way there are color paints embedded inside the drum plotter. What it will do? It will strike on the sheet. It will strike at particular position on the sheet, and it will form a image. Now this type of image are graphically drawn, and this type of printers are used for printing like your structure, maps, world maps. Then we can give examples of banners, hoardings, big banners, our Saint Monica hoardings. Likewise, there are many types of hoardings for printing advertisement of any of the shop. This type of printer is used. Okay. Now I hope you have understood drum plotter. Sorry, this is a plotter, not a printer. I hope you have understood the drum plotter. Now going with next type of plotter, that one is the flatbed plotter. Now in an image here you can see that the shape of here is a table which is flat. Now on that table there is a strip. Now this flatbed plotter is used for printing graphical lines, as well as for printing few text. Now on this flat-based plotter, what is there on this area at the top, your sheet is kept. Your sheet is kept, and here you can see this machine. This is a machine which is used for printing purpose. What does this machine do? It will move from one end to the other end, and it will write data on the plotter, write data on your sheet using this hammer. We can call it as a hammer. What does it do? It scans your data. It moves on your sheet from vertically and horizontally, and it will print the data on the sheet. Now, example of this kind of plotter can be given as this type of plotter are used for designing the aircrafts, aeroplane, rockets, satellite. You all know them. So for designing those kind of things, for designing a 3D view of a building, okay, for that purpose these flat-bed plotters are used. I hope here you have understood both the types of plotter. Now going with our next output device is a LCD projector. So here in an image you can see the LCD projector. It is little bit same as the projector that we use in our school when I teach you on the projector. When I give reflection, when I use projector and reflect, and with the help of projector, the things are reflected on the wall. Okay, so every time when you come in a computer lab, if we are studying any of the chapter, we study with the help of projector. So projector are used for projecting our computerized data on some projected sheet, on a digital sheet on which the reflection of our CPU, on which the reflection is produced of our monitor data. Okay, then it can be anything, like if we are opening a presentation, it will show us the presented data. If we are working on any of the file, like Word file we have worked, Excel we have worked, all those things we have seen on a projector, how it works. Just we have to start our projector, we have to connect our projector to the CPU, we have to plug the projector pin in our socket, and we have to on it. In the same way we on our CPU and a monitor, and the film is reflected on the digital board, and the projection of the CPU or data, the data which is in the CPU or on the monitor gets reflected on that digital board, and in this way we can use our projector. Okay, now the name of this projector is the LCD projector, because it uses the full form of LCD projector is liquid crystal display. It is a form of LCD type of as there are LCD monitors, in the same way this kind of projectors are LCD projectors. Now 2 points are remaining from this chapter. First one is the software, and next one is the computer language that we will study in next session, in next video.